Hello, my name is Max. This is NoCodeNerd episode 17. Today we're talking about Glide. Now, Glide is, holy crap, I adore this tool. It is free to use. It's incredibly easy. I recommend it to a lot of student entrepreneurs trying to build stuff. Let me show you what it does. It lets you build very simple, data-driven apps from a Google Sheet in 5 minutes for free. And they genuinely mean that. I timed myself on a live stream one time, and I built a little app for my live stream just to kind of list my different live streams as well as like link back and just make my show visible in an app format. I once made that in 4 minutes and 3 seconds. I timed myself. It was super, super crazy. Granted, I already had the database kind of built, just from keeping track of stuff. So, super cool tool. Let me show you how it works. This is something that I built on another live stream. This took me like 15 minutes to throw together and to gather all the information. It's called Candy Calories. If you scan this little QR code up in the top right corner, it just downloads onto your phone automatically. You don't need to put it on the App Store. You don't need to do anything. If you go to halloweencalories.glideapp.io, if on Safari, right, on your phone or on just a typical like Chrome or something on an Android phone, it'll just download it to your phone. It'll show you how to. It's just a list of candies, and I click in, and there's a little bit to futz with, a little bit more, but it gives the calorie amount, the kilojoule amount, and it's all in a simple little database format, plus an affiliate link to Amazon, right? So it was designed as a little Halloween track how many calories are coming in when you're eating all your candies kind of serving counter kind of app. But I can add stuff here. It's all built on a simple Google Sheet on the back end. All I did was for free connect my Google Sheet full of candy information that I pulled from the internet to Glide, and it made this for me. And it's super, super easy to customize. So if you have a simple data-driven app or you just don't want to deal with a spreadsheet, use Glide. It's a really, really great tool. Let me know if you have any questions on what you can build with this, because there are certain use cases, but for those use cases, it is incredible. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next episode.